Greetings to the distinguished guests, scholar, colleagues, and friends. My name is Architect Mehreen Mustafa, and I'm Honorary Secretary and Cultural Heritage Consultant at THAP. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 14th International Conference devoted this year to the theme of Jogi Uttar Pahado Aya, Jogi in History, Culture, and Folklore of Sapt Sindhu, the Indus Valley. THAP was founded in 2006-7 with a modest yet ambiguous vision. From volunteering as a student of architecture in 2011 to serving as a joint secretary in 2014, I have witnessed THAP's remarkable evolution, a journey woven with the challenges, steadfastness, dedication to a noble cause. Today, THAP stands as a beacon of inspiration, championing the transformative power of research and innovation in academics, culture, heritage, art, and architecture. Over the years, THAP, led by Professor Sada Haider Wandal and Professor Pervez Wandal, has earned a unique place as one of the respected organizations working in the area of culture, art, and architecture. With the help of its 5 independent organizations and subsets, which were established with the purpose of exploring, strengthening, and extending the rich culture and cultural expression in art and architecture, as well as promoting the historical understanding of Punjab and Pakistan. This conference continues the journey THAP began in 2023 and 24, a focused exploration of the ancient history of Punjab, tracing the living threads that connect us to the people of the Indus Valley, now known as the Harappa culture. It is through this exploration that we recognized how the cultural DNA of THAP continues to flow vibrantly through the life and spirit of contemporary Punjab. In collaboration with Lyalpur Young Historian Club, an esteemed organization led by Dr. Hola Chima and Toheed Chatta Sahab, dedicated to nurturing a passion for history among the youth of Punjab and beyond, and Punjab Khojgar, are founded by Iqbal Kaisar Sahab, a platform devoted to conserving and revitalizing Punjabi cultural heritage, fostering scholarship and supporting research through documentation and collaboration. THAP now turns its attention to one of the most intriguing and enduring figures of this landscape, the Jogi. In our shared discussion, it became evident that the Jogi phenomena resonates deeply with the echoes of the ancient past, carrying within it the philosophical, spiritual, and social wisdom of centuries. THAP and partners believe that Jogis have long been custodians of intangible heritage, keepers of oral tradition, healers, educators, and carriers of spiritual and folk knowledge. In pre-colonial Punjab, they were not merely mystical wanderers, but mobile teachers spreading knowledge of yoga, medicine, music, poetry, and philosophy beyond institutional walls. Through their songs and parables and teaching, they nurtured alternative system of learning and inspired movement that shaped Punjab's intellectual and spiritual identity. This conference aims to rediscover and celebrate the Jogis' multifaceted role to safeguard this living heritage against cultural erosion and to create an interdisciplinary dialogue among scholars, artisans, and practitioners. May these discussions open new pathways of understanding and reconnect us with the timeless wisdom of Sapt Sindhu, the land of 7 rivers, where the spirit of the Jogi still wander, seeking truth across ages.